Before you get started, make sure you have the tenant image you want to use. Note that tenant images are specific to the R series system, and the software version must be compatible with it. You might want to place the tenant image you want to use on a local Linux server that uses HTTPS, so you can more easily import it to the R series platform. You can import a tenant image into the R series using the CLI. Images must be downloaded from the MyF5 Downloads site. Note that the MyF5 Downloads site requires an F5 login.